Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a channel read only on Discord. Well, before we start, I would appreciate if you subscribe and leave a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to go to our Discord server. Then, create a new channel, although you can do this with an existing channel. Then click here. Permissions. Now scroll down a bit. And here in Send Messages, put the red cross. In case you want a role to be able to speak, select the plus sign here, and then select the role you want. Now come back here and select the green check. That's all. If you found it useful, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.